bafowethu advocate Andrew Chauke seke popile seke qhashile. Nizakhumbula ndithi into ba kunenkabinde inquiry. Njoba sibhizi ngemadlanga commission nje kukhona no ad hoc committee ngapha ibikhona nenkabinde inquiry besiyithasha nayo bafowethu. Yona nayo yasungulwa nguPresident Cyril Ramaphosa after efumene icomplaint eyasendwa nguformer National Director of Public Prosecutions eLindia elingushamila Batoyi. Ucomplaina ngo-advocate Andrew Chauke ngoba makucheckwe into ba is fit na to hold office. Yena ke phofu Director ye Public Prosecutions yena advocate Andrew Chauke kwelicala laseGauteng. Hayi ke wamveza ngomuntu ngathi wenza misconduct obuthizeni indlela ezinye icases akangazange aziprosecute ngakhona kwakumele into obuziprosecutile ngapha ezinye akaziprosecute wrong kwakungamelekanga into obuziprosecute ngendlela ethizeni so waveza nje icomplaints engathi zinjalo ngoadvocate Chauke. Advocate Chauke buzani into babeke representwa ngubani kulonkabinde inquiry ngulona nolwesimaqaqe sifana nezama. Fana kaNgcuka Ithobi advocate Thembeka Ngcuka Ithobi. So ke ngoku uShamila Batoyi lona andithi amandiya lana ngale khabhali yabo bubona into babefuna ubhukuqa umbuso ngathi nje umuntu osendleleni yabo bebefuna nje ukumsusa. So naye ke kubonakala ngathi uadvocate Chauke lona bekasendleleni yabo naku bebefuna ukumsusa ngendlela engaqondakala. Phofu ke yena umuntu owabhala into lena wathi mhla appear before inkabinde yena uShamila Batoyi lona appear before inkabinde inquiry wadelela waze wawukha outer kubhizi wayingala uyingala njani into eqalwe nguwe ungasukela inyoka emgodini ithi xa iqala ivele uphinde ufuna ukuyiquestion indlela eseyidila nawe ngakhona ungumuntu oyisukela. So waba ngoku ngumuntu odelela ntoni la inquiry. After ke ngoku wamane bizwa into ba hey khawuze uzophendula into nguwe umuntu ocomplaine ngoChauke. So kutheni ngoku ungasafuna ukuphendula ezinye zezinto ozibuzwayo apha. Hayi ke bafowethu wayidelela nje la inquiry lena nini wavelwa into ba uthi akafuna ukuza in person sekefuna into ba uzakwenza ama written submission yathi inkabinde do awuzudelela thina apha size sikuceke sizithobe sikubuze ngento eqalwe nguwe xa ugqibile uzofuna ukusihlaba nje thina ngamaphepha. Ayizukwenzeka lonto leyo. Hayi ke yaqhubeka ke inkabinde inquiry kubonakala ngathi ise yabe iyaziveza ke ngoku ioutcomes zayo. Ioutcomes zona ezo ezimfinda not guilty of any wrongdoings uadvocate Chauke. And this is after advocate Chauke wafethu was suspended for over a year. Unonyaka ehleli phansi suspendiwe kucheckwa into ba is fit na to hold the office. Bafowethu ndayilandela la nkabinde inquiry ndaba nawo futhi amagama athi andiliboni into ba uShamila Batoyi uzolenza ixesha kulana. La nto akayiqalile hayi bafethu usukela enzinyoka emgodini. Ndaba nayo into ethi kube wesi enze yonke la nto leyana ezazi into ba uzosuka. So andikho sure noba bebefuna inoba abe questionable character so that kuzobe kungena abababo ningalibalanga into yoba kwalo advocate Andrea Johnsons wayegatshele la position yobu National Director of Public Prosecutions ngoba wayeapplyele ngaphezulu waze wayi-interviewela. Is it possible into yoba bebengafuni noba makafumana ithuba uadvocate Andrew Chauke into yoba a-applyele la position liyana because uShamila Batoyi already beseke sendleleni ezazi into yoba she's on her exit. Bafowethu niyayibona lento yoba kumusha kwelana nje nama careers ngapha kalobe ngenda uthasha umcimbi oba no advocate Imalisela Tifo naye bafowethu was found not guilty kuzozo i6 charges eziyana ufindwe not guilty. After ke phofu wabanjwa wangcoliselwa nje igama wahumiliatewa ebanjwa phofu ecourt behlekisa nje ngaye ubona into yoba lando humiliation only to uba ngoku years later kuthiwe he's not guilty. Hey bafowethu kona likhona ithembe elincinci nje ngecriminal justice system yethu ba ikhona nje cleaning up nje eyenziwayo. Now after a year uadvocate Andrew Chauke esuspendiwe uzabuyela office. He's fit to hold office. Ndicho ke phofu lento during as a proceedings ndithi hey madoda andiyazi into yoba eLindia lingushamila Batoyi licinga kanjani lento. He's going now go back to your office. The gloves are off. Ke ngoku niyazi into yoba lona uyi-director of Public Prosecutions eGauteng. Ezinye zecases ezizathi zireferwe silindele ukumbona ezisebenza. Asibazi ke nabo Andrea Johnsons aba i-NPA izigibile nje izinto ezithi nje inenhloso yokumprosecute. Uba yawuzala nkomoni bafethu asiyazi. May the best man win. Akukho kufihleka la kunamphela. Every dog has its day. Namhlanje ungaphezulu ufuna ukumoshela abanye abantu icareer, kodwa ngelinye lamalanga kuyojeza wena.